In this video, we'll show you how to adjust the size of your app icons on an iPhone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. You might find that the app icons are either too large or too small for your liking, and this setting lets you easily change that. Keep in mind that the size of the icons depends on your current display settings. To get started, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Once you're in this menu, scroll further down and tap on View Display Zoom. Right now, my display is set to default, which allows me to adjust the size of the icons and the overall display. If your phone is set to standard or larger text, you can choose default to make the icons smaller or bigger based on your preference. To make the icons larger, tap on standard and press done. The phone will quickly restart, and you'll see your app icons are now bigger. If you want to make them smaller again, simply go back into the settings and select standard for a smaller size.